Let's get you breaking news coming in. These are dramatic images coming out of Bengaluru. This is a dramatic video of a brawl that took place, a clash. Seems to be a drunken brawl that has been caught on camera. Now, 3 people have been arrested. These are, this is the visual that we have. We will just be playing out that visual. This was late last night where this brawl that took place. This is a brawl in the city of Bengaluru. So we have CCTV footage where it shows that both sides were hurling stones at each other. This is a drunken brawl that was caught on camera. CCTV footage shows this brawl that took place in Bengaluru late last night. So there have been arrests that have been made by the Bengaluru police. 3 people have been arrested. We have footage of the CCTV image of late last night. We have Deepak, my colleague, joining us to get us the very latest. Deepak, this is a drunken brawl, a clash that has taken place in Bengaluru. Arrests have been made. Where exactly did this take place and what exactly has happened here?
Well, quite a shocking case that's really coming to the fore. We've seen, brawls in the middle of the night in the past, and this one tops the list probably. On Saturday in Koramangala, anybody familiar with Bengaluru would know this area, of course, is buzzing with activity till late in the night, especially on the weekend. And here, a group of about 3 people noticed a girl. Said that the girl knew these 3 individuals. They were unhappy that she was with another youth. And that's where the argument began, which turned violent. And you can see them beat up, this young boy there as he lay there on the street. They continue to assault him with stones. Locals there tried to intervene. The girl as well, they're trying to intervene, but the assault continued for quite some time. People around were filming the entire scenario as well. After which a complaint was filed with the Koramangala police, who registered a case. And 3 of them have been, taken into custody right now. One person here has sustained some serious injuries, the other some minor injuries. But once again, the video that has gone viral has left the city in a state of shock.
Right, a very shocking incident. This is in regard to, the video that's playing on our screen at the moment of a brawl that's taken place and 3 arrests have been made. Stones that are being hurled at one another. A very, shocking incident coming out of Bengaluru, and of course, questions being raised as to the number of cases of crime that are being reported in the city. Thank you so much, Deepak, for getting us details of the dramatic visuals that are playing out on your screen at the moment of the 2 groups going at each other, hurling stones. This has completely gone viral, and of course, arrests now have been made at the Koramangala police station. This is the preliminary investigation that is suggesting that the brawl occurred under the influence of alcohol, possibly over a girl. The 3 accused raised an issue that the girl was apparently with someone else. And the police have also obtained the footage that is playing out on your screens at the moment. And that has really led to 3 people being arrested. Deepak with us. Deepak, take us through, of course, from what we're hearing, these are just preliminary reports, no confirmation yet. But there seems to be a girl involved in the case there. We can see that girl on our screen who apparently was with somebody else. And that's what irked the other group. And that's what really led to the clashes.
Well, yes, talking about this Koramangala issue once again, this incident taking place near the Jyotinivas College. This girl is said to have known the other youngsters who began this assault on this individual, another youth who was with this girl. Bystanders there trying to intervene, the girl as well trying to intervene, but to no avail. He was brutally assaulted. You can see them pick up stones which were on the road. Whatever they could find, the assault carried on with that. He was hospitalized, right now out of danger. The police acting swiftly here, managing to arrest all the 3 of them.
Right, thank you so much, Deepak, for getting us those details. And of course, take a look at the visuals on your screen of what really happened in Bengaluru. Questions being raised as far as Bengaluru is concerned. This happened really late at night, at about 1:30 is what we're hearing is the time when this case got reported of this girl who was out with a friend, and there are other people who she knew who saw her with this other guy, and they picked up a fight with the man. There you can see this really led to that brawl that's taken place in Bengaluru. Dramatic visuals of the 2 groups really going at each other, hurling stones. And of course, this incident in which the youth sustained serious injuries. A case now has been registered in the police station of Koramangala in Bengaluru. With, of course, this seems to be that the group of men there were under the influence of alcohol, and this was a fight that perhaps has taken place because over that girl because of the fact that she wasn't out with them perhaps and was out with somebody else. The three accused raised an issue that the girl was out with another boy. That is what the police has said. Those are preliminary reports coming out of a brawl that's taken place on Saturday night. Visuals on your screen playing out now, and arrests have finally been made. 3 people have been taken in.